Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. So let's get straight to water of the day. We are sticking with summertime vibes. So let's get to it. We are going to start with the Welch's Orange Pineapple. If you don't have this, use orange and pineapple. Or use syrup, squirters. It doesn't matter. Use what you have. And then I have the High C mango melon mashin. Does that say mango melon? That's a tongue twister. Anyway, you get the idea. That's what we're using on that. And then pina colada again. You don't have to use all these. You don't even have to make this if you don't want to. Here we are. Get another little mixy mix. Oh, that smells good. Let's see how this combo tastes. I'm sure it's fantastic. Oh, yeah. That is so good. Anyway, you guys have a great Wednesday, and I will see you all again tomorrow.